Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Research Hour. This is me Aisha Ghaffar here, and today I will be discussing about something different. I will be discussing about rather than scholarships. So, if you people are looking for different kind of jobs, if you are having any degree in any discipline related to engineering, sciences, arts, humanities, so no worries. If you are unemployed and you want to be employed, so this video is for you. Like Abu Dhabi, higher colleges of technology is in Abu Dhabi has opened like different jobs in different fields for their faculty, adjacent faculty. So um, if you have the same qualification, if you have the same degree, I think don't waste your time. Don't look for the opportunities. This is the best opportunity for you guys, so must apply there. I hope you get the job there. And this is a highly paid job. So this college is like, you can say this is a faculty type job. So you will enjoy your visit, you will enjoy your job there. So yeah, let's get started in this video. Let's get started. In this video I will be like talking about higher colleges of technology in Abu Dhabi has opened different faculty positions. So what are these positions, what are the qualifications, what degree must you have? I will be discussed all about all things. Okay, so faculty positions. Yeah, I will be start from list of available Abu Dhabi faculty positions. So these are the these are the different fields in which they are opening different kind of jobs. So if you have degree in any field, these are the 23 fields. Okay, if you have degree in any field like applied media faculty, early childhood education, health sciences, chemistry, physics, aeronautical engineering, aviation engineering, or electrical electronics engineering, engineering physics, health sciences, so you can guys go their websites and apply there. Okay, so these are the faculty positions they are offering. So now we will discuss about qualification and how to apply. This is the most important thing. To apply for any other faculty position, candidate must hold a relevant PhD in their respective disciplines. If you have your PhD, if you have done your PhD degree, so you can apply. Additionally, applicants should have at least 3 years of teaching experience demonstrating a passion for education and effective student engagement. Industry experience of 3 years is relevant field is also valued, as it brings practical knowledge and real world insights into the classroom. Okay, so deadline for application is each faculty position has a specific application deadline. So you guys can check the deadline from their from their original website. I will let you know what is the deadline later in the video. Make sure you submit your application before the starting before the stated closing date. Okay, so how to apply for Abu Dhabi faculty position? So it's a very normal procedure. It's a very There is no hard and fast rule to apply for this position. So you have to visit their official website, complete online enrollment application form. Providing accurate and relevant information, then upload your CV, cover letters, and copies of academic qualifications, certificates of experience, and all these things, and submit your application. This is not something that you cannot do on your own. Okay, so this is a very simple thing. So yeah, that's it. Now I will okay, I will visit their official website. This is their official website, Higher College of Technology. So I will I will put this link into the I will put this link in the description of this video, so you guys can check there. From there, so this is the current vacancy, so you guys can go the current vacancies. Okay, and after clicking on the current vacancies, you guys can check these are the open jobs for the faculty positions. Okay, so what you have to do is yeah, what you have to do is click on the applied media. If you are looking for any kind of applied media job, so you have to visit on that, like you have to click on that particular job. And I will like before 5 to 6 minutes I told you guys that I will tell you the closing date or deadline, and the deadline is 31st December. You guys can see this is the deadline, okay? And posting date was 1st August 2024, and closing date is 31st December 2024. So this is the position for this summary. This is the summary for this position, sorry. And you guys can read this position summary. If you are having the similar experience, if you are having or similar experience and all these things similar with this job, you guys can apply. Okay, so these are the different requirements, like a master's or PhD degree. If you are having a master's or PhD degree and a professional certificate, and if you have like 3 or 5 years teaching experience in academia or in industry, you are like you are open to apply. Appropriate academic professional qualifications are required, and like they for this kind of specific job they require minimum 5 years of relevant industry experience. So they prefer the 5 years industry experience. You guys can, like, you guys have to have this thought in your mind before applying this thing at this thing, okay? So for salary and other benefits, you guys can check, like you guys can click here to view the complete job description. So this is the complete job description, in which you guys can see the operational role about teaching, assessment, advising, research services, administrator, and all these things. And you guys can see all the things related to your concerns, okay? So yeah, that's it for today. I hope this video is beneficial for you. I hope you guys get work, or you guys can get job through this like through this website or through this announcement. And okay, so that's it for today. And मिलते हैं किसी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, किसी नेक्स्ट स्कॉलरशिप अपॉर्चुनिटी के साथ, या फिर किसी अच्छी जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी के साथ. टिल देन, अल्लाह हाफिज़.